Last spring, our district hosted its first ever GSA Summit, bringing together students from across our schools for a powerful day of connection, learning, and leadership. The day began with interactive whole group experiences, including a game show style session called The Policy is Right, where students explored LGBTQ+ affirming policies. This was followed by a Four Corners activity that invited students to engage in real-world scenarios and share their unique perspectives. We were honored to welcome Dr. Serena Chang, Chief Behavioral Health Officer at Callen Lorde Community Health Center, who spoke with students about health advocacy for transgender and gender-diverse youth. Her message grounded the day in the importance of access, care, and the power of student voice. Students then participated in breakout workshops led by partner organizations and facilitators, including PFLAG NYC, Civics for All, and Youth Communications. These sessions provided students with practical tools and opportunities to explore their identity, voice, and leadership. Students also engaged in GSA action planning, facilitated in partnership with the LGBT Network. Together, they developed goals and ideas to bring back to their school communities within the CIOB Citywide district. The energy throughout the summit was uplifting and joyful, creating an inclusive and celebratory atmosphere for all. The day ended with a high-energy activity where students connected and celebrated exactly who they are, walking with pride and showing off their confidence. Overall, the summit was a powerful reminder of what happens when students are given the space to lead and be affirmed in who they are.